How to remove the share button on Facebook Lite. What is up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily hide or remove the share button from your posts on Facebook Lite. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right in. The very first thing you want to do is open up your Facebook Lite and make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you have done that, all you have to do is head over to your profile icon by tapping on your profile option and then just scroll down a bit. The very first thing you can do is try to lock your profile, but if you don't want to do that, then what you can do is simply unlock your profile. So just tap on it and then tap on unlock profile. And if you keep your profile unlocked but still want to hide the share button, then in that case, what you can do is simply tap on your post, for example, this one, and you are going to change the audience here. So if it is set to public, then anyone can share on or off Facebook. Your post can be shared anywhere by anyone. But if you just keep it to your friends, then they won't be able to share it with others because the friends the people they are friends with, they might not be friends with you, so only your friends will be able to see it and they won't be able to share it anywhere. So this is the main thing that you can do to hide the share button on your posts. You can also head over to the settings and change the default setting from here. So as you can see on who can see your future posts, just make sure that you set it to friends and then you should be good to go. So tap on save and that's it. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit like, share and subscribe and I'll catch you guys on the next one.